Tired of waiting until payday to enjoy life? You're not alone. We all have those moments. A concert ticket drops, a dream vacation is calling, or that new gadget is just too tempting to resist. But what if you could access your earned income before your next paycheck? That's where Beforepay comes in. Beforepay is a revolutionary financial wellness platform that allows you to access a portion of your earned wages early. It's not a loan. Think of it as a responsible way to access your own money when you need it. Imagine. No more payday loans. Say goodbye to high interest rates and predatory lenders. Financial freedom. Cover unexpected expenses, plan for emergencies, or simply enjoy life's little pleasures without the financial stress. Build credit. Responsible use of Beforepay can actually help improve your credit score. Control and flexibility. You choose how much to access and when, giving you ultimate control over your finances. How it works. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Eligibility. Beforepay is typically available to employees of participating companies. Check if your employer offers this benefit. Sign up. The process is usually quick and easy. Simply sign up through the Beforepay app or your company's internal platform. Connect your bank account. Securely link your bank account to the Beforepay platform. Access your earnings. Once approved, you can access a portion of your earned wages, usually up to a certain percentage. Repayment. The amount you access is automatically deducted from your next paycheck. Important considerations. Fees. While Beforepay is often more affordable than traditional payday loans, there may be small service fees associated with using the platform. Responsible use. Beforepay is a valuable tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Only access the funds you need and ensure you can comfortably repay them on your next payday. Budgeting. Beforepay is best used as a complement to a solid budget. Tips for success. Track your expenses. Understand where your money is going to make informed decisions about accessing your earnings. Create a budget. A budget helps you plan your spending and avoid overspending. Use Beforepay strategically for unexpected expenses, small emergencies, or to cover a temporary cash shortfall. Beforepay can be a game changer for your financial well-being. It empowers you to take control of your finances, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.